Hello, Base Unlimited. Welcome to the Superintendent's Minute for April the 28th. I'm Doug Powers. Wednesday evening, we celebrated our BLHS academic letter winners and announced scholarship recipients for the class of 2023. 57 seniors were recognized as academic letter winners, meaning they achieved a 3.75 or higher GPA with no grade lower than a C in a weighted class or B in an unweighted class for 3 consecutive semesters. BLHS counselors then announced 100 scholarships awarded to 88 student recipients in the class of 2023. A grand total of $80,000 was awarded in scholarship money Wednesday night. In addition, on Thursday morning at an all-student assembly, seniors signed letters of intent to attend their college of choice, commit to the military, or commit to the workforce. And our athletes of the year, Taylor Cruz and Tyson Rood, were announced during a student assembly, each receiving a $500 scholarship from Simple Simons. We are so proud to have such a great school community that provides for our students each year like this. Have a great weekend.